Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. All paper MCQ series part number 20. Who was the author of the book The Presidential Republic? The author Jean Blondel is the author of the book The Presidential Republic. Who is credited for discovery of planetary motion? Answer Kepler 3 law for planetary motion and He for planetary motion. Kepler planetary motion law. Which metal is known as the metal of future due to its property? Uranium, titanium, gold. Titanium. Titanium is known as metal of future and uranium is known as metal of hope. A sonar uses ultrasonic waves, electromagnetic waves, sound waves. Sonar method ultrasonic waves. याद किस शायर की शायरी का कलीदी लफ्ज है? नासिर काज़मी। याद लफ्ज नासिर काज़मी की शायरी में कलीदी हैसियत रखता है। कसीदा किस ज़बान का लफ्ज है? अरबी। कसीदा अरबी ज़बान का लफ्ज है। Lumpy skin disease occurs prevalently in which species? Cattle. Lumpy skin disease (LSD) occurs mostly in cattle. Insulin was discovered by Sir Frederick G. Banting. Insulin was discovered by Sir Frederick G. Banting. Using which type of waves the composition of Mars core composition has been predicted by NASA? The correct answer is seismic waves. Seismic waves is used for Mars core composition determination. What is the global index of Pakistan in 2023? 102 rank of Pakistan in the global index. Which of the following is the oldest civilization of the world? Mesopotamia is the oldest civilization of the world. Mehergarh Museum recently inaugurated in which province? Balochistan. Mehergarh Museum recently inaugurated in which province? Balochistan. Pakistan initiated its national identity card system in 1973. In 1973, Pakistan initiated its national ID card system. How many megapixel is the human eye? 576. 576 megapixel of human eye. G7 was founded in 1975. G7 was founded in 1975. लश्कर, फौज, जमात, हजूम वगैरह इसमें ज़ात की कौन सी किस्में हैं? जमा। उर्दू का पहला शायर कौन है? खुसरो। उर्दू का पहला शायर अमीर खुसरो को कहा जाता है। Who was the leader of England during World War II? Winston Churchill was the leader of England during World War II. Who invented electric telegraph? Samuel Morse invented the electric telegraph. Name the first novel in Sindhi language. First novel in Sindhi language is Zenith. What is the color of copper sulfate? Copper sulfate color is blue. Mirror used by dentists to see large image of teeth of patient is concave mirror. Concave mirror is used for doctor to elaborate or yet to expand the image of teeth. Which country is called land of rainbow? South Africa. South Africa is called land of rainbow. मौलाना जफर अली खान ने किस शायर को सर का खिताब मिलने पर उनकी हिजू लिखी या उनकी तारीफ में एक नज़म लिखी? तो वो मोहम्मद इकबाल रहमतुल्लाह अलैह। Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work. Theory of relativity was Einstein. On this work, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you very much.